Good morning, guys. Duncan from Greens Trails here. Co-pilot is Jack today. You say hello?
Hello.
Hello. We camped in Kettlwell last night, North Yorkshire, York Moors, and we are going to head up to Cragdale Moor. We were up there here a few weeks ago. Terrible English. I was up here a few weeks ago with Scott, the Black Pathfinder dude. It's just a solo trip this time, so we'll head up there. It's raining at the moment, which is a bit of a shame. It's not really forecast to be. There are some amazing waterfalls and caves, so I'm hoping the rain passes and we can get the drone up. We've just stopped outside a beautiful little hamlet called Cray. I had to stop here. I'm gonna get the drone up. It's a little bit spitting with rain. It's just stunning. You can't really see them on the GoPro, but there's a line of waterfalls flowing down the rocks and then all the way down that valley. Beginning of the Cragdale Moor lane now. We're just going through the Stalling Busk byway gate. And it's not as wet as it was last time we were up here, so I don't think the waterfall there is going to be in quite the same flow, but it should still be pretty spectacular. So my trusty GoPro 11, which is proving to be not so trusty, if you remember in the last video when we were up on Malestan Common, it gave up the ghost, it overheated and corrupted everything. Well, it just completely died. It won't turn on at all. I was filming with it, didn't overheat, just turned off and won't turn back on. Different batteries, on power, like a dodo. It's extinct. the GoPro 11 obviously heard me make that video, because no sooner did I press stop recording on the GoPro 9, I managed to get the 11 back to life. I wonder if there was, I gave it a good blow inside, I wonder if there was a little bit of dirt on some of the terminals. It was dormant, yeah, it wasn't extinct, it was just dormant. Nearing the end of the lane now. Don't know about you, Jacob, but I've really enjoyed that one. The camera, Jack is nodding his head. We've got about half a K of the lane left, and then that's it, done and dusted. Probably call it a day there. I've spent quite a bit of time driving that one nice and slowly, getting loads of footage of it. Obviously we could go on to explore the old Roman road, but I think we're going to save that for a future video. So if you like that, please remember to like, subscribe to the channel, it would really help me out. We're near 600 subscribers at the moment, and I would love it if we could get the channel to 1,000 subscribers. So if you did enjoy that video, please do hit that like, subscribe, bell icon to get alerted to all the new footage and all the new edits. I'd really appreciate that.